As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down, making it harder to maintain energy, strength, and overall wellness. But did you know that Ayurveda, an ancient system of natural healing, offers time-tested techniques to support metabolism and vitality in the elderly? In this video, we'll explore Ayurvedic nutrition practices designed specifically for seniors, from metabolism-boosting foods and spices to mindful eating habits and daily rituals that promote digestion, balance, and longevity. As we gracefully navigate the journey of life, many of us encounter a common challenge: a natural slowdown in our metabolism. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it can significantly impact our daily well-being. We might notice changes like unexplained weight gain, persistent fatigue, or a general decline in our usual vitality. These shifts can feel disheartening, but they are a normal part of the aging process for many. However, understanding these changes allows us to address them proactively. Fortunately, ancient wisdom offers profound insights into maintaining our metabolic health. Ayurveda, the traditional Indian system of medicine, provides a holistic and deeply personalized approach to these age-related metabolic shifts. It doesn't offer one-size-fits-all solutions. Instead, Ayurveda focuses on understanding your unique constitution and making tailored dietary and lifestyle adjustments. This approach aims to gently rekindle your inner fire and restore balance. At the heart of Ayurvedic philosophy lies the concept of the three doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. These fundamental energies govern all physiological and psychological functions within our bodies. Each person has a unique combination of these doshas, which influences their health tendencies. Understanding your dominant dasha and any current imbalances is key to Ayurvedic healing. These doshas dictate everything from our digestion to our energy levels. They are the blueprint of our individual health. Crucially, Ayurveda places immense importance on Agni, our digestive fire. Agni is not just about digesting food, it's about metabolizing all experiences, thoughts, and emotions. A strong Agni ensures efficient digestion, nutrient absorption, and robust metabolic function. When Agni weakens, as it often does with age, metabolic issues can arise. Vata dasha often becomes more prominent as we age, leading to specific metabolic challenges. Individuals with Vata dominance or imbalance may experience characteristics like dryness, constipation, and a weakened Agni. Their digestion can be irregular and sensitive. For Vata-dominant elders, the focus is on consuming warming, grounding, and nourishing foods. These choices help to counteract Vata's inherent cold and dry qualities. Think of meals that are easy to digest and comforting. Excellent examples include cooked, easily digestible meals such as hearty soups, comforting stews, and warm porridges. These foods provide sustained energy without taxing the digestive system. They help to lubricate and nourish the body. Incorporating crucial spices like ginger, cumin, and turmeric can be incredibly beneficial. These spices are known for their warming properties and their ability to gently stimulate Agni. They aid in breaking down food more effectively. The benefits of these dietary choices are profound. They work to enhance digestion, improve nutrient absorption, and soothe the nervous system. This helps to bring balance and comfort to a Vata-predominant constitution. While Vata often increases with age, Pitta imbalances can still occur, manifesting differently in older adults. Characteristics of Pitta imbalance might include inflammation, acidity, or even occasional heartburn. These symptoms indicate an excess of heat in the body. For those experiencing Pitta imbalances, the recommended foods are generally cooling and soothing. Fresh fruits and a wide variety of vegetables are excellent choices. Moderate amounts of dairy, such as ghee or fresh yogurt, can also be beneficial. It is wise to avoid foods that can further aggravate Pitta. This includes excessive spicy, oily, or highly fermented foods. These types of foods can increase internal heat and contribute to inflammatory responses. Opting for milder, less acidic options helps to restore balance. Kapha excess, though less common to develop acutely in old age, can persist or worsen if not addressed. It is characterized by symptoms like weight gain, sluggishness, and a feeling of heaviness. This imbalance can lead to a slow metabolism. For individuals with kapha excess, the recommended foods are light, dry, and warm. These qualities help to counteract kapha's inherent heavy, cold, and moist nature. The goal is to stimulate and lighten the system. Beneficial tastes to emphasize include bitter, pungent, and astringent. These tastes naturally help to reduce kapha. Think of foods that have a slightly drying or stimulating effect. Excellent examples include legumes, such as lentils and beans, which are light and protein-rich. Leafy green vegetables are also highly recommended for their cleansing and stimulating properties. These foods help to reduce congestion. Conversely, it is important to avoid heavy, processed foods, which can further contribute to kapha accumulation. Foods that are excessively sweet, salty, or oily should be consumed sparingly. Lighter, more vibrant choices will support a healthier metabolism. Beyond diet, lifestyle plays a pivotal role in revitalizing metabolism, especially as we age. Regular, gentle exercise is incredibly beneficial. Activities like walking, swimming, or gentle yoga can make a significant difference. These movements are kind to the joints while still being effective. The benefits of consistent, moderate exercise are numerous. It stimulates metabolism, helping the body burn energy more efficiently. It also plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass, which naturally declines with age and is vital for metabolic health. Adequate sleep is another cornerstone of metabolic well-being. Our bodies perform essential repair and rejuvenation processes during sleep. Insufficient rest can disrupt hormonal balance, leading to metabolic dysfunction and increased cravings. Aim for consistent, quality sleep each night. Finally, stress management techniques are indispensable. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our metabolism by elevating cortisol levels. Practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature can significantly reduce stress. These techniques foster a sense of calm and support overall metabolic harmony. Ayurveda offers a treasure trove of herbs that can gently support metabolic function. These natural remedies work synergistically with dietary and lifestyle changes. They provide an additional layer of support for the body's innate healing capabilities. Triphala is a renowned Ayurvedic herbal blend, meaning 3 fruits. It is highly valued for its ability to aid digestion and promote gentle detoxification. Triphala helps to cleanse the colon, improve nutrient absorption, and support regularity without harshness. It is a cornerstone for digestive health. Ginger and turmeric are 2 powerful spices with incredible medicinal properties. Both are known for their strong anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger is particularly effective at boosting agni, our digestive fire, while turmeric supports overall cellular health and reduces inflammation. They are excellent additions to daily meals. Ashwagandha is a revered adaptogenic herb. It is widely used to help the body manage stress and support overall vitality. By reducing the impact of stress on the body, ashwagandha indirectly supports metabolic health. It helps to calm the nervous system and promote a sense of well-being. While these guidelines offer a wonderful starting point, it is crucial to remember the personalized nature of Ayurveda. For truly effective and safe metabolic revitalization, consulting a qualified Ayurvedic practitioner is highly recommended. Their expertise is invaluable. A practitioner will conduct a thorough assessment to determine your unique dasha constitution and any current imbalances. They will then create a personalized plan tailored specifically to your needs. This plan will encompass dietary recommendations, lifestyle adjustments, and appropriate herbal support. The ultimate goal of this Ayurvedic approach is to revitalize your metabolism gently and effectively. By addressing the root causes of metabolic slowdown, you can improve your overall health and experience a more vibrant, energetic life. Embrace this ancient wisdom to unlock your body's natural capacity for balance and vitality. Backhand index pointing right. If you're looking to stay energized and healthy at any age, hit like, share your favorite Ayurvedic tip in the comments, and subscribe for weekly videos on health, wellness, and natural living. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.